Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to share with you an amazing invention that I have created, a sand battery that powers my home for free. You won't believe the results. In this video, I will show you how I built this sand battery and how it works. So, let's get started. Part 1, The Idea. The idea of creating a sand battery came to me when I was researching alternative energy sources. I wanted to find a way to power my home without relying on traditional sources of energy. That's when I stumbled upon the concept of a sand battery. The idea is simple: sand is a great conductor of electricity, and when it is combined with other materials, it can create a battery that can store and release energy. Part 2, The Materials. To build my sand battery, I needed a few materials. I used sand, salt water, copper, and zinc. These materials are easily available and inexpensive. I also needed a container to hold the sand and the other materials. Part 3, The Build. The first step in building the sand battery was to mix the sand and salt water. I used a 5-to-1 ratio of sand to salt water. I then poured the mixture into the container. Next, I inserted the copper and zinc electrodes into the sand mixture. The copper and zinc electrodes create a chemical reaction that generates electricity. Finally, I connected the electrodes to a circuit that powers my home. Part 4, The Results. The results of my sand battery have been amazing. I have been able to power my home for free using this battery. The battery has a long life and requires very little maintenance. I have also noticed a significant reduction in my energy bills since I started using this battery. Part 5, How it works. The sand battery works by storing energy as heat in sand or sand-like materials. The battery is charged using relatively low-cost solar or wind-generated electricity, which heats up the sand to approximately 500 degrees Celsius. The sand can retain this heat for months, allowing it to be used to keep homes warm in winter. The battery consists of low-grade builder's sand, 2 district heating pipes, and a fan. The sand becomes a battery after it is heated up to 600 degrees Celsius. The battery is charged overnight and electricity prices are lower. The sand battery can store excess renewable energy for commercial use. The sand battery does not store electricity but stores energy in the form of heat. To mine the heat from storage, cool air blows through pipes. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a sand battery has been a great experience for me. It has allowed me to power my home for free and reduce my carbon footprint. I hope this video has inspired you to try building your own sand battery. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.